Who writes a letter to God? Now, लेटर तो सबने लिखे हैं ना, कितने सारे लेटर लिख चुके हैं हम, कभी हम फॉर्मल लिखते हैं, इनफॉर्मल लिखते हैं, so many letters we write. But this time, this is a letter जिसका रिसीवर है God. Now that is very writing a letter to God. Has anybody written letter to God? I don't think so. आपने बहुत सारे लेटर्स लिखे होंगे. You may have written a letter to the principal. Informal letters may you have written to your uncle, to your friend, neighbor, etc. But letter to God is unheard of. ऐसा कभी किसी ने सुना नहीं कि भाई किसी ने लेटर ही लिख दिया हो गॉड को. Because okay, suppose we have to write a letter to God, तो भाई एड्रेस क्या डालेंगे उसका? What will be the address? Letter to God में क्या एड्रेस डालेंगे? Okay, so that way that is quite impractical. Although we believe in God, ठीक है, we are all believers, we believe in God, and we know that God is, there is one word, it's omnipotent. You can note down OMNI POTENT. Okay, OMNI POTENT, omnipotent. What does omnipotent mean? OMNI POTENT, omnipotent. What does that mean? Omnipotent consists of two words. One is omni, OMNI, omni. Omni means all. And potent, POTENT, potent means powerful. तो क्या मतलब बन गया? All powerful, जिसके पास सारी शक्ति है, सर्वशक्तिमान भी से in Hindi. Omnipotent. So God has all the power. God is omnipotent. We know God has all the power. God can solve all our problems. Okay, but we pray to God. If we have a problem, we pray to God. We don't start writing letters to God. So, but here we have this man who writes a letter to God, and he hopes that he has a very strong hope. उसका जो विश्वास है ना मन में बहुत strong है कि God fulfill करेगा मेरी जो भी needs है ना उनको. So before we read, there is this introduction which gives us a lot of idea about the lesson. They say faith can move mountains. Faith, you know, FAITH, faith. Very strong belief. Like I said just now, we have faith in God. Faith can move mountains. But what should we? अब देखो क्या बात बोली है यहाँ पे. Faith can move mountains. Mountains देखे ना, Everest is a mountain. And he says, can anything move a mountain? Can you push away a mountain? No, he says, no, you can't push away a mountain. But faith can move mountains. मतलब क्या है? It says that your faith can make the most impossible, improbable thing possible. Fine? Your faith, जो आपका विश्वास है वो क्या कर सकता है? जो भी चीज़ें हैं जो लगती हैं भाई improbable हैं, impossible हैं, too hard, too difficult, which are beyond human power, they can be done through faith. Okay, that is the meaning. They say faith can move mountains. But what should we put our faith in? What should we put our faith in? अब faith तो किसी चीज़ में भी हो सकता है. Some people say, I have faith in myself. They are so confident about their own power. Some says, I have faith in God. So whom should we have faith in? This is the question which this story delicately poses. Lencho is a farmer who writes a letter to God when his crops are ruined, asking for 100 pesos. Now, what is the reason for Lencho writing a letter to God? So we get the reason. Reason is that he has lost his crops. He's a farmer and his crops are ruined because of rain. He needs money. Does Lencho's letter reach God? Does God send him the money? Think what your answers to these questions would be and guess how the story continues before you begin to read now. And then you have an activity. We will skip the activity. We'll move to the next page. Again you have a form which is known as a money order form. So ye money order form, these are the things of the past. Understand? Why are these things of the past? Because earlier, like 40-50 years back, people used to send money through the post office. Through this they had to fill this form. Today you don't have to do this. We are living in the digital age. You want to send money, you can do net banking, you can through by Paytm, Phone Pay, so many means are there. So we can just skip that also. Now we come to the next page. You can follow it on the screen, I hope. And those who are not getting on the screen, they can follow in your textbooks. The house, the only one in the entire valley. Okay, the house, you see, the house. So this house, why is it written the? You see, it begins with an article which is written the house. So the house is a particular. Articles you have done a and the. तो a and the जब हम करते हैं तो पता चलता है definite होता है कुछ particular है ना. The house, the only one in the entire valley. So there was a huge valley, you know, valley, like the Kashmir Valley, like the Kullu Valley, Kangra Valley. These are the valleys. So the only one in the entire valley sat on the crest of a low hill. Okay, so the complete sentence: the house, the only one in the entire valley, sat on the crest of a low hill. What is CREST? It is given. You can see on the right side, top of a hill. Crest is the top of a hill. In the entire valley, so means there was only one house in the entire valley, and that house was on the top. What is the synonym for crest? CREST, crest. Peak, PEAK, peak of a low hill. Okay, so this is the peak of a low hill. So there is only one house. That is why it is written the. You can get a question in the exam. Why is it written the house? Because it was the only house in the entire valley. That is why the article the has been used for it. From this height, one could see the river and the field of ripe corn dotted with the flowers. So, from this height, which height? The height at which the house was. One could see the river and the field of ripe corn dotted with the flowers. So, when you look down from the hill, you can see two things. Number one, river. Number two, field of ripe corn. Now remember, the corn is ripe, RIPE, ripe. Ripe means ready to be. Like if a fruit, एक अगर फल है, अगर वो ripe हो जाएगा तो क्या करेंगे? उसको pluck करेंगे, pluck, 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 तोड़ लेंगे उसे. और अगर corn जैसे wheat हो गया और corn कोई भी, अगर वो ready हो गई है उसकी crop तो क्या करेंगे? काट लेंगे उसे. काटने को क्या कहते हैं? Harvest, right? तो वो it was ready for harvest. That is, it's ripe. Dotted with the flowers. Dotted with the flowers that always promised a good harvest. Dotted क्या होता है? Take a white page, एक black pen ले लो, dots में लगाओ बहुत सारे. A4 size sheet, white. Take a black pen and put dots. Hundreds of dots. Dotted. So dotted with the flowers means there were flowers were scattered all around. That were always promised a good harvest. Now, when you look down from the hill, you see these two things. One is the river, the other is the field of ripe corn. And there were flowers, dotted with flowers. And what did it promise? ये पूरा scene क्या promise कर रहा था कि भाई फसल बहुत अच्छी होने वाली है, good harvest. So when a farmer looks at such a scene, तो कैसा लगेगा उसको? He will feel very enthusiastic, he will feel overjoyed. Why? All his hard work, you know, जो लेबर होता है ना, लेबर, LABOUR, लेबर, तो जो उसका लेबर है, जो उसका हार्ड वर्क है, it is the fruit of his hard work. The ripe corn is the fruit of his hard work. That is the result of his hard work. The only thing the earth needed was a downpour or at least a shower. The only thing the earth needed. What is the only thing the earth needed? Was a downpour or at least a shower. Now what is this downpour and shower? You know, rainfall. Now it in the monsoons it will rain. And now rain is also of many kinds. कई सारी तरह की होती है ना रेन. कभी कभी जैसे शुरू ये हल्की हल्की बूंदे बरस रही हैं, हल्के हल्के, हाँ, थोड़ी थोड़ी, जिसे हम कहते हैं बूंदा बांदी. दैट इज अ ड्रिजल, DRIZZLE, ड्रिजल. और फिर तेज हो गई, तेज. इट स्टार्टेड लाइक अ शावर इन द बाथरूम, so it is shower. डाउनपोर इज मतलब बहुत तेज जब बारिश होने लगती है ना, जिसे हम कहते हैं, एक और इडियम भी है उसके लिए, रेनिंग कैट्स एंड डॉग्स. लाइक आई से इट रेन्ड कैट्स एंड डॉग्स, और इट इज रेनिंग कैट्स एंड डॉग्स. ओके, सो दैट इज डाउनपोर. जम के बारिश हो रही है, दैट इज डाउनपोर. थ्रू आउट द मॉर्निंग लेंचो, who knew his fields intimately, had done nothing else. So earth needed a downpour means what? The crops, the fields, they needed water. And India is a land of the monsoon, you know. And farmers, like large pieces of land are agriculture is being done. And most of the farmers, the main source of water for them is not the canals and the irrigation system, but the rain. So they wait for the rain. Similarly, Lencho was waiting for the rain. Throughout the morning, Lencho, who knew his fields intimately, Intimately, very closely. Like your parents know you intimately. Teachers who have been teaching you for the last 5, 6, 7 years, they know you very intimately. Okay, so intimate means close, very close. So a farmer knows his lands intimately, he knows his fields intimately, had done nothing else but see the sky towards the northeast. So what was he doing since morning? देखो क्या कर रहा था, सुबह से वो क्या कर रहा है, पूरी सुबह से वो क्या कर रहा है, नथिंग एल्स, कुछ नहीं कर रहा, बट अब यहाँ बट का मतलब लेकिन नहीं है, सिर्फ क्या कर रहा था, सी द स्काई टुवर्ड्स द नॉर्थ ईस्ट. ही वॉज लुकिंग इन द नॉर्थ ईस्ट डायरेक्शन ऑफ द स्काई. क्यों देख रहा है भाई, क्यों देख रहा है? Waiting for something. What is that thing he is waiting for? Earlier line has told us he is waiting for rains. And what is a sign of rain? What is a sign of rain? What happens before it rains? क्या आता है आसमान में? बादल आते हैं. तो क्या किसका इंतजार कर रहा था लेंचो? देख रहा था नॉर्थ ईस्ट की तरफ, तो किसका इंतजार कर रहा था? He was waiting for some sign of the approaching rain. साइन मतलब कुछ मिले, इंडिकेशन कि बारिश होगी, तो उसका वो वेट कर रहा था. Okay, so that's the first paragraph, in which we get to know that the house was on the crest of the hill, and from there we could see the two things. One is the river, the other is the harvest, the crop ready to be harvested. And what does this crop do? It fills the heart of the farmer full of joy. It fills the heart with joy. And then what does Lencho do? He looks at the fields. He was looking towards the sky, waiting for something. What was he waiting for? He was waiting for some indication of rain, some clouds gathering in the sky. कुछ बादल इकट्ठे हो जाएं आसमान में. And then he says, now we are really going to get some water, woman. We are really going to get some water, woman. Means his wish is going to get fulfilled. There are some signs of rain. That is why he says कि अब हमको कुछ बारिश मिलेगी, कुछ पानी मिलेगा. The woman who was preparing supper replied, yes, God willing. The older boys were working in the field while the smaller ones were playing near the house until the woman called to them all, come for dinner. So the family. What was the woman was preparing supper. खाना बना रही थी. Older boys were working in the field. They were helping their father. Smaller ones were playing near. जो उनकी एज नहीं थी हेल्प करने की, तो वो अपना they were helping. So they were playing until the woman called to them all, come for dinner. It was during the meal that just as next page Lencho had predicted. Yes, so he had made a prediction. He had shared it with his wife. He said, oh, we are going to get some rain. तो जैसा कि उसने प्रेडिक्ट किया था, फोरकास्ट किया था, क्या हुआ? बिग ड्रॉप्स ऑफ रेन बिगेन टू फॉल. Big drops of rain began to fall. In the northeast, huge mountains of clouds could be seen approaching. See mountains. What now? Why mountains of clouds? If you see during you look at the sky right now, it is almost clear. तो ज़्यादा आपको दिखेंगे नहीं बादल आसमान में. लेकिन अगर आप देखेंगे मानसून में जुलाई अगस्त, so you will see the sky is overcast with clouds. Overcast यानी ढका हुआ है आसमान. Overcast with clouds. कैसे हैं? Dense, dark, huge clouds. And they give the appearance of like mountains in the sky, one upon the other. They could be seen approaching. Approaching मतलब coming closer. The air was fresh and sweet. So this is the. I can't help much about it. No, voice is not clear. Can't do much about it. Okay, so the air now, when you listen, like when it is about to rain, okay, then you can see there is a change in the temperature also. You can feel it. Your senses can feel it. So here also the same thing. Air was fresh and sweet. The man went out for no other reason than to have the pleasure of feeling the rain on his body. So you can underline this one. Have the pleasure of feeling the rain on his body. Got it? You must have felt it in the rains. When you go out and suppose it's very hot and humid, and you are just suffering. You are suffering the heat, and then it starts raining, and then you go out, and then you You feel the raindrops on your skin. आप अपनी स्किन पे महसूस करते हैं उसको. अब तक आपकी स्किन एकदम इट वाज बर्निंग ड्यू टू स्कॉर्चिंग हीट थी, झुलसा देने वाली गर्मी थी. अब आप महसूस कर रहे हैं उसको. रेन ड्रॉप्स की ठंडक का एहसास आपको हो रहा है. ओके, प्लेजर ऑफ, एंड इट्स अ वेरी प्लेजरेबल फीलिंग. इट मेक्स यू सो, इट्स अ रेस्पाइट, इट्स अ रिलीफ. वो आप फील करते हैं अपने बॉडी पर. टू हैव द प्लेजर ऑफ फीलिंग द रेन ऑन हिज बॉडी, एंड व्हेन ही रिटर्न्ड ही एक्सक्लेम्ड. So what does he say? Lencho goes out and experiences the raindrops on his body. Then he says, these aren't raindrops falling from the sky. ये बोला उसने. These aren't raindrops fall. किसको कह रहा है these aren't raindrops? Raindrops कोई कह रहा है कि ये raindrops नहीं है from the sky. तो क्या है फिर? They are new coins. तो raindrops को कह रहा है raindrops नहीं है. अभी फिर क्या है raindrops नहीं है? तो कह रहा है coins है, coins, new coins. Now what does he mean? The big drops are 10-cent pieces. The big drops are 10-cent pieces. Cent is a small denomination of currency. And the little ones are fives. तो उसने क्लासीफाई किया ऐसे. कह रहे देखो ये बड़े वाले जो है ना रेन ड्रॉप्स, ये तो 10-cent pieces हैं, और छोटे वाले क्या हैं 5-cent pieces. Okay, so raindrops, he compares the raindrops to the coins. So why? You can get a question. Why did Lencho compare the raindrops to the coins? So very obvious reason. Significance क्या है उसके लिए raindrops का? तुमने किया कभी के raindrops को तुम उसको compare कर रहे हो उससे coins से? No, because although rain is very important for us, we don't need it directly. एज अ फार्मर नीड्स. तो एक फार्मर के लिए बहुत ज़रूरत है उसकी. फार्मर को लगता है भाई यही है मेरे लिए. तो इफ आई डोंट गेट द रेन, व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन? व्हाट विल अ फार्मर फील? इफ द फार्मर डजंट गेट द रेन, व्हाट विल हैपन? ही विल बी ruined. Ruined, RUINED, ruined. He will be ruined. He will be ruined. His crops will be destroyed. So for the farmer, when the crops need rain, then rain is the most important thing. The same thing is happening here. Okay, same thing is happening here. Lencho needs it to rain. Why? Because his crops need it. And if it doesn't rain, then what will happen? His crops will be ruined. So for him, देखो मनी प्रेशस होता है ना, वैल्यूएबल होता है ना, हमारे लिए बहुत वैल्यूएबल है मनी. Similarly here, the raindrops are very valuable for Lencho. That is why he compares the raindrops to coins. He says the big ones are 10 cents and the smaller ones are 5 cents. Okay, got the answer? With a satisfied expression, he regarded the field. Satisfied. As it starts raining. What does he get? He gets a very satisfied expression. Why is he satisfied now? Because his wish, his desire is getting fulfilled. His desire for rain is getting fulfilled. With a satisfied expression, he regarded the field of ripe corn with its flowers. Now, word regarded. He regarded the field. Regard मतलब क्या है? हम लेटर में भी लिख देते हैं नीचे regards. तो pay my regards means pay my respect and love. But here regard means to consider. Okay, यहाँ पे regard मतलब है, consider मतलब के सोचना. उसने सोचा, क्या सोचा? या field को उसने माना क्या? The field of ripe corn with its flowers. तो ripe था ना field, ready for harvest था. Draped in a curtain of rain. It was a beautiful scene. Drape, D-R-A-P, drape, like clothed. Like you wear draped, which is clothed in. Draped in a curtain of rain. तो क्या लग रहा था? जैसे fields के ऊपर एक बारिश का एक तरह से एक पर्दा लग गया. But suddenly a strong wind began to blow. Okay, but situation changes now. Suddenly what happens? Suddenly a strong wind begins to blow, and along with the rain, very large hailstones began to fall. Sudden change in the, you can write the scene. Until now the scene was very pleasant. and Lencho was feeling very satisfied. But now what happens? Now he starts feeling a bit, chintit, concerned, worried. Why? Because along with the rain is very desirable. Desirable, which we want. Desirable. Okay, desirable. Like opposite of desirable is undesirable. जो हम नहीं चाहते, जैसे कुछ लोग अभी इसमें कर रहे हैं ना, they are drawing some lines. This is undesirable. Okay, so don't do undesirable things. Let us do the desirable things. Desirable things क्या है? अभी चैप्टर समझ में आया हमको. Doing the painting on the screen, that's totally undesirable. Okay, so we don't want to have undesirable elements in this class. So they should avoid. वो बचें ऐसा करने से. तो अनडिजायरेबल था क्या? हेल स्टोन जानते हो? अरे ओले होते हैं ना, ओले, वो अनडिजायरेबल होते हैं. क्यों? बारिश तो बड़ी हेल्पफुल है भाई खेती के लिए, क्रॉप्स के लिए. लेकिन अगर हेल अभी कुछ लाइक आई थिंक 2 months बैक और 1.5 months बैक, हेवी हेल स्टॉर्म, you must have big hailstones. It was as if there was a snowfall. You must have seen it or experienced it. So large hailstones begin to fall. अब what happens with these hailstones? Hailstones look you will find, oh, it's so beautiful, it's snowing. भाई मजा आ रहा है, देखो दिल्ली में भी हो गया snowfall, but it's very harmful also. Okay, it's very harmful, these hailstones, because they can be destructive. They can destroy the crops, right? So now his expression changes when he sees the hailstones, and the hailstones, they are going to be dangerous, they are going to be they're going to create loss. These truly did resemble new silver coins. These hailstones. The boys, exposing themselves to the rain, ran out to collect the frozen pearls. Okay? What are the frozen pearls? Pearls, pearls. Pearls, precious stones, pearls. Frozen pearls क्या हो गए? Hailstones are the frozen pearls. So the boys, exposing themselves to the rain, ran out to collect the frozen pearls. They ran out and they collected the frozen pearls. It's really getting bad now. तो देखो अब आ गया ना change. अभी तक ऊपर earlier paragraph you see it's written satisfied expression. Satisfied. सेकेंड अगला पैराग्राफ में क्या कहता है? इट इज रियली गेटिंग बैड नाउ, मतलब बिगड़ रही है सिचुएशन अब. एक्सक्लेम्ड द मैन, आई होप इट पासेस क्विकली. सो व्हाट डज ही वांट? डज ही वांट द हेलस्टोन्स टू फॉल? नो, ही डजंट. क्या चाहता है वो चाहता है जल्दी गुजर जाए ये. क्यों? मुश्किल है ये, खतरनाक है ये. इट कैन बी हार्मफुल, इट कैन बी डेंजरस, इट कैन कॉज लॉस. कौन? यही हेलस्टोन को और क्या बोला? फ्रोजन पर्ल. सो ही सेज आई होप इट पासेस क्विकली. इट डिड नॉट पास क्विकली, बट हिज होप वाज नॉट फुलफिल्ड. फॉर एन आवर द हेल रेन्ड ऑन द हाउस, द गार्डन, द हिल साइड, द कॉर्नफील्ड, ऑन द होल वैली. एंड व्हाट इज द रिजल्ट? सो व्हाट वाज ही थिंकिंग? व्हाट वाज ही होपिंग? कि जल्दी खत्म हो जाए. हो गया क्या जल्दी खत्म? नो, it didn't. क्या हुआ? It rained. Hail rained on the house. बरसता रहा. क्या? खाली बारिश नहीं, खाली पानी नहीं, बल्कि उसके साथ में hail stones on the whole valley. The field was white as if covered with the salt. Okay, field was white as if covered with salt. Ultimate result of all this 1 hour of heavy hailstorm is field was white as if covered with salt. फाइन. पूरा खेत कैसा लग गया? कवर्ड विथ सॉल्ट, जैसे नमक डाल दिया उसके ऊपर पूरा. यानी कि हेल स्टोन्स एकदम लाइक अ कारपेट होता है ना, कारपेट बिछा देते हैं ग्रीन, तो देखते हैं सारा ग्रीन हो गया एकदम. तो ऐसे ही वाइट हो गया सारा. इट वॉज अ कारपेट ऑफ हेल स्टोन्स ऑन द फील्ड. नजर नहीं आ रहा. वॉट इज नॉट विजिबल? द क्रॉप्स. वॉट हैपन टू द क्रॉप्स? अभी तक क्रॉप्स क्या थी? स्टैंडिंग. Okay, the crops were standing. Now what happened? भाई कोई चीज गिरेगी क्रॉप्स के ऊपर, वो तो बहुत डेलिकेट है ना, ऐसे गिर गया वो क्रॉप, उसके ऊपर सारे वो गिर गए. All the hailstones. So the crops were like trampled, they were crushed, all that. So you can get a question. What was the result of the hailstorm? What damage did the hailstorm cause? what was the ultimate effect of the hailstorm? So that this is the ultimate effect. Not a leaf remained on the trees. Not a leaf remained on the trees. The corn was totally destroyed. Number one, you can note, underline, not a leaf remained on the trees. Point number one. Point number two, the corn was totally destroyed. ठीक है, ना तो कोई लीफ बचा, ना कॉर्न बचा, कोई दाने नहीं बचे उसमें. थर्ड, द फ्लावर्स वर गॉन फ्रॉम द प्लांट्स. This is the damage. You get a short question, you write these 3 points. These are called the value points, and in your board examination value points are very important. अगर आपको मार्क्स चाहिए, आपको वैल्यू पॉइंट्स लिखने. वैल्यू पॉइंट्स लिखने से क्या फ़ायदा होता है? इससे ये फ़ायदा होता है कि हम फालतू चीज़ें नहीं लिखते शॉर्ट आंसर में. ओके, इफ़ यू गेट अ शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन वी जस्ट राइट टू द पॉइंट. नहीं तो हम इधर उधर की कहाँ इसमें हम लिखने लगें. अगर पूछा जाए भाई क्या उसने क्या डैमेज किया, तो आप ये तीनों लिख दो, हो गया काम. आप हेल स्टोन्स के बारे में ज़्यादा मत लिखोगे, कार वो बिल्कुल ऐसा हो गया था, फील्ड एंड ऑल दैट. जस्ट राइट दीज 3. व्हाट इज द इफेक्ट ऑन लैंचो? लैंचो's soul was filled with sadness. Lancho's soul was filled with sadness. Soul, all of you know soul. Opposite, body. And body is, we had done it earlier also, body is mortal, soul is immortal. Okay, and soul is very deep. Something that hurts your soul is a very deep hurt. Something that hurts your body is not that deep a hurt. समझे? कोई चीज़ आपके बॉडी को लग गई चोट, यू फेल डाउन, यू आर रनिंग, यू फेल डाउन, एक्सटर्नल इंजरी हो गया आपको, तो आपको बहुत पेन होगा. लेकिन अगर कोई चीज़ आपको सोल को हर्ट करेगी, सोल, समथिंग दैट हर्ट्स योर सोल, ओके, सो दैट इज गोइंग टू हर्ट यू रियली, बिकॉज दैट हर्ट विल बी इंटरनल. बहुत अंदरूनी, आपकी आत्मा को कोई चीज़, जैसे आप कहते हैं ना भाई आत्मा प्रसन्न हो गई, ठीक है, या मेरी आत्मा दुखी हो गई, मतलब एक्सट्रीम एक्सट्रीम. It does not show little amount, extreme. So Lancho's soul was filled with sadness. It is more than the physical hurt. ऐसे नहीं वो भाई हेल स्टोन के नीचे जाके खड़ा हो गया, सारे उसके ऊपर गिर गए तो बहुत चोट लगी उसके बॉडी में. Not that. When he sees his crop totally destroyed, that is the sadness he talks about. When the storm had passed, he stood in the middle of the field and said to his sons, a plague of locusts would have left more than this. The hail has left nothing. Plague of locusts. Locust, you know, in Hindi we call it tiddi. So what does this? These are hail of locusts, swarms of locusts. They come in large numbers, millions of में आते हैं. ये छोटे छोटे इंसेक्ट्स होते हैं. ग्रास हॉपर देखा आपने, बिल्कुल उसके जैसा. और ये क्या करते हैं? They will eat away the crops. And they come in a number of millions. Clouds आते हैं पूरे locust के, और जहाँ पे जाते हैं वहाँ पूरा बर्बाद कर देते हैं. They eat away all the crops, all the fruits, etc. Leaves, सब कुछ ख़त्म कर देते हैं. Even leads to famines. अकाल पड़ जाता है वहाँ पे, बचेगा ही नहीं कुछ इंसानों के लिए. So कहता है अगर locust का plague भी, plague मतलब it's like, because it is like it's epidemic plague, you know, plague. Even a plague of locusts would have left more than this. The hail has left nothing. Hail means the hailstorm has left nothing. कुछ नहीं छोड़ा इसने. अगर locust आते तो वो भी ज़्यादा छोड़ देते. This year we will have no corn. वो कहता है this year we will have no corn. कुछ नहीं बचेगा इस साल हमारे लिए. That night was a sorrowful one. All our work for nothing. That night was a sorrowful one, he says. The writer says that night was a sorrowful one. Why was it a sorrowful night? It was a sorrowful night because, why is it sorrowful? All of you have understood. It was sorrowful because the family had lost. Understand? The family had lost. What had they lost? They had lost everything. Their source of livelihood was the crop. They depended on the crop entirely, totally, for all their requirements. उनकी total dependence crops पे थी, और अब crops बची नहीं. ठीक है, और पूरी क्रॉप्स पूरा उगाने में दोबारा से लगेगा ना, कुछ पूरा टाइम लगेगा उनको. तो दे वर इन डीप सॉरो, डीप पेन. ऑल आवर वर्क फॉर नथिंग. क्या मतलब है ऑल आवर वर्क फॉर नथिंग? मीन्स ऑल आवर हार्ड वर्क इन वॉट? हार्ड वर्क इन वर्किंग इन द फील्ड्स, प्लोइंग द फील्ड्स, वाटरिंग द फील्ड्स, टेकिंग केयर ऑफ द क्रॉप्स. जितनी भी ये मेहनत लगी है उसमें क्या हुआ? All our work for nothing. Nothing means zero. All effort has become zero. There is no one who can help us. We will all go hungry this year. So he says, no hope for us this year, means this season. Our crops have been destroyed by the hail. So we have to face very hard times this time. This year we have to go hungry. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this part.